Hello friends, this is Shivakkumar again. And as everybody know, right, actually metrology deals with the precision measurements of instruments, say linear fits and gauges, linear measurements, angular measurements, and measurements of surface finish, and then the gauging and measurement of screw threads, and say measurements of gears and gear to the terminology, everything, right? So all this can be used in the automobile industry as well as any manufacturing or discrete industry or any say repetitive industries where we need to have measurements of the angles and the surface finish, everything, right? Straightness, curveness, spherical nature, everything, right? So which can be measured using gauges. So metrology deals with the limits, fits, and gauges, interchangeability in production, tolerance and allowance, BAS fits and tolerance, limit gauges, Taylor principle of gauging design, and then we have linear measurements, precision measurements, vernier instruments, micrometer, dial indicators, Borden gauges, and then slip gauges, comparators, mechanical, electronic, optical, opto-pneumatic instrument measurements, and interferometers, and Moir fringes, automatic gauging for inspection, machine control and assembly, and then we have angular measurements for such as vernier and optical level protractors, sine bars, split level, dividing head, autocollimator and angle decor, and optical projectors and microscope, profile projectors, tool makers, microscopes, screw thread projections, and universal measuring machines, and then the coordinate measuring machines, and then measurement and surface finish, which is used for the civil as well as mechanical engineering. And so the finish which defines the surface texture, roughness and waviness, measurement of surface finish, stylus problem instruments, profilometer, equipment and design features, data presentation, and analysis of surface traces, right? And then we have gauging and measurement of screw threads, gauging methods for manufacturing, screw thread terminology, standard specifications and formulae, tolerance, thread measurements, thread purge or thread gauge measurements, applications of thread gauges, and then measurement of gears, gear tooth terminology, measuring methods of run out, pitch, profile, lead, backlash, tube thickness, composite method of inspection equipment quality level. So reference in the sense KJ, Hume Engineering Metrology by McDonald, and then AB Judge Engineering Precision Measurements, Campus and Hall, and RK Jain Engineering Metrology, Kanna publishers. So these are the reference books we can study for the metrology. So as I already know, the metrology will deals with the measurements of they can say the surfaces or angles or angular measurements or linear measurements, rotatory measurements. So mainly concerned with the measurements, right? So that deals with. I mean, it is a mechanical plus instrumentation related field. So this will be more suitable for I can say mechanical, say civil, say instrumentation engineers. So this is again actually this is a old kind of thing. Actually now we have a lot of modern technology for measuring metrology related applications, right? Actually we have digital IIoT, all these things actually. So digital interface is required and with many field instruments that give an optimistic view of the exact level or any surface smoothness or any motion sensors, everything, right? That deals with the metrology. So that is very important. Now the field is very modernized with IIoT and integrated with big data systems. So we have analytics is required for as an embedded thing. So this is very good technology for the instrumentation, mechanical, civil, and even actually electrical engineers also. Thanks, friends. I hope my videos are very useful for you guys. This is Shivakkumar signing off.